qBittorrent. It is free and open source full version from official website. Ad-free software using for MP3 files, movie files, gaming files, software applications and project related PDF files from HTTP and FTP website links. How to download, install and best settings explain. Browser open. Google search box lo qBittorrent download enter key press. Official link second section lo display. qBittorrent.org. Mouse left click. Verify you are human. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Official web interface display. Latest version v 5.0.1 display. qBittorrent fourth option download click. Mouse scroll down. BitTorrent supporting OS Windows, Mac and Linux users download and install and torrent related files. First one Windows 10 and 11 supporting. First one download qBittorrent 5.0.1 multiple installer choice. Mouse left click. Mouse scroll down. First option qBittorrent download Windows x64, file size 37.4 MB and version 5.0.1 display. First option mouse left click. Downloads section lo qBittorrent underscore latest version 5.0.1 x underscore x64 underscore setup.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 37.4 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Process completed. Next step installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side third option downloads folder lo setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Setup exe window display. First button yes click. Download folder minimize. Installer language window lo please select language. Default English display. Right side down arrow click. Number of languages display. Your convenient language select. Default English set. OK click. First button. 64 setup window lo first button next click. License agreement window lo left side bottom section lo I accept the terms of the license agreement. Left side box lo tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second button next click. Choose components. In middle section lo select component to install. Second option create a desktop shortcut if necessary. Left side box lo tick mark set. Mouse left click. And fourth one very important, start BitTorrent on Windows start up. Whenever system restart and turn off and shut down. Downloading process 50%, 20%, 30% incompleted process. Auto restarting and complete downloading process. Auto reopen window and auto re-downloading and resume downloading purpose using this fourth one option. Left side mark set and second button next click. Choose install location. Destination folder qBittorrent related local disk C program files and newly created qBittorrent file location and path display. Space required to 38.3 MB. Second button install click. Installing, please wait while qBittorrent x64 being installed. Display on desktop qBittorrent shortcut. Second button finish click. OK click. qBittorrent latest version v 5.0.1 complete user interface white color theme display. Ad free interface. Top section lo menu bar. Second section lo icons display. torrent related settings icons. First one, add torrent link. Mouse left click, download from URLs. Any website links paste in here. Next, download click, close window. Second one, add torrent files. Click. Any uploading torrent related or created torrent files. Select file and folder. Using purpose, second one icon. Next, close window. Third one, downloading files. In case any error and incompleted files nu delete cheyadaniki in middle section file select and icon click. Incompleted files downloading process restart. Fourth icon use. Stop downloading related files. Using purpose, interface related మన convenient settings. Option icon, gear icon click. Uninstall this application process. Close Windows Task Manager, right side up arrow click. qBittorrent logo display and icon click. First menu, file menu click. Exit click. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option, control panel click. Programs and features option click. qBittorrent, mouse left click, right click. Uninstall option click. Uninstall or change on application window lo first button yes click. First button next click. Choose components, all options in middle section box lo tick mark set left side. Mouse left click and mouse left click. Second button uninstall click. Second button close. Completely remove from your system. Control panel window close.